Want to turn your content into multilingual videos?
I can make videos in English. 하지만 나중에 한국어 버전으로도 번역할 수 있습니다.
Making videos in Japanese? それもできます。私はあなたの言語変換の専門家になります。
How about Indonesia? Aku juga bisa mengubahnya menjadi versi bahasa Indonesia dengan mudah.
With JoggAI, you can instantly generate lip-synced videos in multiple languages, making your content accessible to audiences worldwide. First, open JoggAI page and choose the video translation feature. Upload your 1 to 3 minutes video. Once your video is uploaded, JoggAI automatically detects the original language, or you can manually select it if you prefer. Pick your target language. Next, choose your AI voice. You can either keep your original voice or pick one from JoggAI's AI voice library.
Using my voice to create videos.
Welcome to Using My Voice to Create Videos.
When it's ready, just click the button and your multi-language video will be generated in seconds.
JoggAI의 영상 번역 기능을 함께 사용해 보겠습니다.
Translate, dub, and go global, all with JoggAI. Try it now.